Hi guys, it's me Grace, and for today's video, I'll be sharing you some facts about myself. So first off, let's start with my strength and weaknesses. These are the things I consider as my strength. First, I am resourceful. I take initiative with things I know I can do. I can do multitasking. I must admit that I'm good at leadership, and lastly, I can do work under pressure. And those are just some of the things that I consider as my strength. Next off is my weaknesses. A lack of confidence. I'm scared of public speaking, and my biggest weakness is that I can't say no to people because I feel guilty kapag hindi ako nakahelp. And I'm impatient, I must say. Let's proceed now to my likes and dislikes. First of my like is handmade gift, chocolates or any sweets, junk foods, cooking or any outdoor and indoor activities. And lastly, I like trying something new. And my dislikes are disrespectful, inconsiderate, toxic people, social media, group activities, and any show your talent na mga portions like girl, I super duper dislike it. And lastly, I hate bullies. I don't like them. Let's go now with my bucket list. So first, I want to go skydiving, stargazing, travel around the world, write my own book, and lastly, start my own business. And those are just some of my bucket list. And to my unforgettable experience, I must say, katuning nahumi sa kanal, kauban na kong tito, kay hubog to siya ato nga time, tas dili ni ko mag-uban, tapos wala man siya kauban, so nag-uban na lang ko, tas yun na, hulag mi sa kanal, mo to kong pinaka-unforgettable pa na experience. I must say na ang akong talent kay ang mag-pretend na okay lang ko, charot. Pero yes, my talent, I don't think na I have talent, so I consider acting as my talent na lang. And then, so here are my goals this year. First, I wanna be mentally stable. I wanna prioritize myself this year more. And I wanna finish grade 11 with any achievements or awards. And then, maybe to take better care of myself more this year. And to make my family proud, of course. That's one of my biggest goals in life. And my self-care routine, I don't have any self-care routine. Kaya wako'y pake sa akong sarili. And then, the lesson I learned this year is that hindi to ng taon na ginatabangan nimo or like, maski unsa pa kakabutan sa iban, naadjud ug naay maingon ang mga tao sa imuhan. Like for example, parehas sa kuha, kay maski ginatabangan na nako sila, ginahatagan ako akong tanan sa ilaw, pero at the end of the day, naadjapon sila matel sa ako. Kay pag kanang maski di lang gud mo sila ma-help sa gamay na butang or like maski ginhatagan lang nimo ano imong sarili kay manglain na din sila sa imo na din sila ingon nga mga sakit na words, so maski unsa kadaghan sa mas maayong imong gihimo sa ilaha kay kung nanang kay isa ka mistake na mahimo daotan na dayon ka para sa ilaha na jud sila maingon like di na ka makatabang kay syempre anahon pud mo sarili usahay kay karang sila na nang permente mo ginano, pero at the end of the day, ikaw Japon ang dautan. Let's proceed to the last part, the things I'm grateful for this year. Actually, I'm grateful for all the things that have happened to me last year. Especially sa mga problems na nag-arise, tapos ang ako mga naharap na problem, kay okay lang, it made me stronger man, so I accepted them with I don't know, heavy heart, I guess. Pero with the help of the Lord na conquer man ako ang tanan, so okay lang. O grateful ko na naka-finish ko grade 10 with honors and naka-speech pod ko, and then grateful pod ko sa mga blessings nag-give ni Lord sa ako ug sa akong family and for always keeping me safe, Lord. Thank you so much. And then grateful pod ko sa mga teachers, ako mga classmates and circle of friends na nag-help sa ako to grow more as a person and para mas ma-develop ako as a person. So, thank you all so much. And that's it for today. So, thank you so much for watching and bye-bye. God bless.